equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, turn off your Rowenta RR7635WH vacuum cleaner and unplug it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment, which is typically found at the back of the unit. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You may notice some dust or debris inside the compartment. It's a good idea to clean this area with a soft cloth to ensure optimal performance. Remember, a clean vacuum runs more efficiently. Now, you will see the battery connected to the vacuum. Carefully disconnect the battery by pulling the connector away from the terminal. If you find this step challenging, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. We can help you with this process. After disconnecting the old battery, take your new battery and connect it to the terminal. Ensure that the connection is secure. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Once the new battery is connected, replace the battery cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the cover is snug to prevent any dust from entering the compartment. Now, it's time to test your vacuum cleaner. Plug it back in and turn it on. If everything is working correctly, you should notice improved suction and performance. If you encounter any issues, don't forget that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Finally, remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly. Many local councils in Australia offer battery recycling programs. This not only helps the environment but also ensures that hazardous materials are handled correctly. In summary, replacing the battery in your Rowenta RR7635WH vacuum cleaner is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance its performance. If you need assistance at any point, our services include no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get help when you need it. Enjoy your clean home with your newly powered vacuum. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.